Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at gold on the daily and weekly time frame, and there's our breakout, looking like it was a bull flag of consolidation, support line and resistance line parallel after a big move to the upside, consolidation, and now we've got continuation to the upside. The upper Bollinger Band is resistance at 1343.44. We're going to need to see high volume to break out above that level, otherwise it looks like we're just going to grind up alongside of it as it continues to ascend pretty rapidly. The weekly time frame is breaking out as well, upper Bollinger Band support holding, and that is at 1327.66, and we'll see if we're going to head up and test the Brexit highs of 1362.60. So this breakout, we saw the shape on the daily chart, but it was really the hourly chart that alerted us that this breakout was coming. So after Brexit occurred, we had that huge spike, and then we consolidated, and we consolidated for a very long time, setting lower highs multiple days. Once we started setting these higher lows, getting back up to the resistance line, that's when I started paying attention, saw that we still couldn't get above it, and then we started paying very close attention, and the bulls got that clear breakout, and off to the races it was. And anytime you have the markets and gold both going bullish, NUGT explodes. And that's because the minor stocks are affected by what the overall market is doing, because they are stocks in the stock market, and they're obviously affected by what the underlying commodity of gold is doing. So the fact that gold broke out of this channel with the markets continuing to the green, we saw NUGT with huge gains. So lots of members playing NUGT the past 2 days, and we went from a close of just under 120, and now we're closed at 144.24. So that lets you know the movement that can be seen, pretty much a 20% move in 2 days, thanks to that gold strength and the market strength with it. So NUGT breaking out. You can see the upper Bollinger Band support at 131.88. And let's get the weekly chart to find some resistance. We are breaking out on the weekly as well. And we can see back here, but hidden behind these numbers, the high of the week in May in 2015, 141.90. So we've broken that level. We need to zoom out and find the next level. And the miners are changing this trend now. We established a base. Now we're forming higher lows and higher highs, and we're going to start trying to take out some of these levels. We've just broke this lower high. Now we're looking up at 214. There's obviously resistances before that level. I'm looking at 161, but 214 is a very clear lower high as well, and we'll be looking to turn that into support. All major moving averages are support besides the 200 week moving average, but that's up at 1092, and that's because of the reverse splits that the 3 times ETF time decay goes through. So that's not a factor, but all relevant moving averages are back as support now. So the trend is changing. Whether it's going to be midterm or long term remains to be seen, but gold miners are back in action, breaking out to end this week, and watching to see if gold is going to set higher highs by breaking that 1362 high from the Brexit dump. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in as always. Have a wonderful weekend. See you soon.